This is the k sound. The k sound can be made using the letters C by itself, K by itself, C and K together, or sometimes the C and the H together. C and H usually makes a ch sound, but in some words it can make a k sound. Let's have a look at some real words that contain the k sound. Special friends. K. Fred talk. T, I, k, et. Ticket, ticket. Special friends. A. Fred talk. K, a, k, cake. Special friends. It's usually a ch, but in this word is a k and or. Fred talk. K, or, d, chord. You play a chord in music. Special friends. K and ng. Fred talk. K, I, k, I, ng. Kicking, kicking. Again, the special friends in this word, C and H, don't make the ch sound. Special friends, k and Fred talk. K, a, k, t, character, character. Now let's have a look at some alien words containing the k sound. Special friends. Fred talk. K, a, kang. Special friends. Sh and k. Fred talk. Sh, I, k, shick. Special friends. K. Fred talk. S, t, r, ok, strock. Special friends. Oo. Fred talk. K, oo, k, kook.